Hi, I'm Joey with the YMCA.
The Dr. Livingston here with New Edge Wellness.
It's Dee with Vivid Imaginations Professional Face Painting.
Good afternoon, I am Big Top the Clown.
My name is Cynthia McFarland and I'm the founder of Trac.
Hi, I'm Grant with Knockerball Tri-Cities.
Hi everybody, my name's Alicia. I'm the owner of Illusions Art and Design. Hi there, we are Vibe Music and Performing Arts Center.
We are Bethlehem Lutheran. We're a preschool through 8th grade.
Jason with Smile Mile Painting. I'm here at the Trac in Pasco.
Hey, what's up guys? I am the Dr. Livingston here with New Edge Wellness, teaching you guys about spinal health. What we do is we work to actually structurally correct that posture to allow the brain to communicate with the rest of the body and allow those nerves to function better. Come out and see us.
Hi, I'm Joey with the YMCA here at the Trac in Pasco. We're reaching out to the community to let them know about our childcare, sports, and our fun events that we do throughout the year. I hope to see you down here.
Hi, I'm Amanda Barnes.
And I'm Sarah Barnes.
We're with Green Heart Exchange. We are out here at the Trac today looking for host families to host exchange students from over 60 different countries. We placed over 20,000 exchange students since 1985.
It's Dee with Vivid Imaginations Professional Face Painting. This is my friend Alex, he's getting the Hulk. Do you want to turn your face like this? You want to say hey? Hey! Okay, so look over at me and I'm going to close your eyes like this. I'm going to finish painting on my friend. So we are a professional face painting company and we want to give a shout out to Smile a Mile. The crowd is here, the party is here, we are so excited and we're just going to make memories and smiles. Hypoallergenic makeup, right? You ready, my friend? Like it? Is that awesome? Give me some. That's right.
Good afternoon, I am Big Top the Clown, a former Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey Circus clown. I'm right here at the Family Expo this weekend and I perform at birthday parties and special events for ages 1 to 100. My specialties are pantomime, balloon creations, silly clown acts, juggling, a variety of various things. And my website is www.bigtoptheclown.com.
My name is Cynthia McFarland and I'm the founder of Trac. We started this program for therapeutic riding about 4 years ago. And we're excited to be here at the Expo because we've met so many wonderful people in our community. We have classes that are adaptive riding classes for anybody with special needs from age 4 on up through adults. We're always looking for other members in the community to help us with sponsorships or volunteer, and we offer a variety of programs. We're going to have a really special event coming up this May 18th, and we're going to have Trac's main event fundraiser. So we're excited about being able to support all the riders so that nobody goes without being able to participate in this activity.
Hi, I'm Grant with Knockerball Tri-Cities, and we're at the Trac right now in Pasco. We started off with knocker balls, which are little inflatable balls that you get in and you play, and we've grown to what you see here. We got a slide, we got a bounce house, we got Connect 4, and an interactive arena, and we plan to grow more. We're also with combat archery. Here we got targets that you can shoot at and play. It's geared towards adults, where we play a little bit of dodgeball, paintball, but with bows and arrows with a foam tip. So come on down, we're here until 5, come play and see what you got.
Hi everybody, my name's Alicia. I'm the owner of Illusions Art and Design. We're here local to Tri-Cities. We actually do a bunch of really cool stuff. You can see my banner up top. We have face painting, balloon animals, glitter tattoos, airbrush tattoos that are waterproof. We have a bunch of light up stuff. If you want to check us out, we're on Facebook. It's facebook.com/illusionstriCities. Hope you have a great day. See ya. Our Vibe Music and Performing Arts Center. We're here at the Family Expo today. Come on down. You can sign up for auditions for Frozen Junior, or you can enter to win some tickets to Matilda.
Hi, I'm Lisa Stuvey and I'm here at the Tri-City Expo over at the Trac in Pasco, and we are Bethlehem Lutheran. We're a preschool through 8th grade. And we are a wonderful Lutheran school. Come on down, check us out. This is Anna Noble, our admissions director. We are blasting off with Bethlehem, so I hope to see you down here soon.
Jason with Smile Mile Painting. I'm here at the Trac in Pasco. We're at the Family Expo, so come down here. You can paint some rocks. We have got a spot for you to be able to sign up for a free estimate for any painting project that you might have. You can sign up for a free painting estimate and get your painting projects on the schedule and ready to go.